So what I'm going to do here is go to where I was before. I was right here. I pressed this blue button right here, and that imports into your Oberlo. So I'm here now on Oberlo, and I go to this tab here, and you go to import list. And now, as you can see, there is the product. And we don't want that name and description and all those pictures and stuff like that, but I'm just going to go ahead and push it to my shop. So now, if I go back here and go to my products, then there it is. It keeps up with the stock number, it keeps up with every single thing, it uploads all the details, the name, and stuff like that. But I'm definitely not going to be using these pictures, that description, or that title. So everything's going to be changed. So that's just the first product. So right now I'm going to focus on getting these products in there, and then we'll go about changing the title, description, and everything like that. So now I want to find other products that I can upsell on my store. So whether these items cost less on my store or they're more expensive, I'm still going to put them on there just to see what sells and what doesn't. So I'm just going to type in relationship clothing. Like, I've seen some stuff that like matches just like this, some cheesy stuff on here, some weird stuff, some funny stuff. So I mean, I'm just gonna put a few things. Now I'm just gonna type in boyfriend clothes. You have to use like some weird keywords to like find the products you're actually looking for. So right here you see this is for boyfriend and a girlfriend. It says love, but you have to have both of the t-shirts together. So I'm gonna import that product. I want that. Prince and Princess, I'll put that one on there. What else do we got? Let me look up like some boyfriend bracelets. Maybe something will come up. His and hers, this looks nice. Always forever, I'll put that in there. Her king, her queen, I'll put that on there. Like, I usually try not to put too many products on my stores. I try to keep it around like 15-ish or a little bit more, a little bit less. I've even had stores that have had only one product and I've sold 5 figures in it. So there's a lot of opportunity even with a one product store. So now we have all these products here in my import list. So I'm going to go ahead and just push all these to my shop. So now if we go here to my store to all products, we're going to see all these products I have on here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products right now. So I think that'll give us a good base for me to actually outline everything, show you guys how to create the titles, the descriptions, the pictures, how to find the pictures, and stuff like that. So I think for the rest of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make the titles, the descriptions, and then in the next video, I'm going to show you guys more how I'm going to design the website and get everything ready. Okay guys, so now let's get into creating the descriptions. So I'm going to show you guys how I create a description for the first main product, and that'll pretty much show you guys how to do it step by step, and then you'll be able to do that for every single product. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how I created a description for the first product, and then I'm going to go in and do the rest of them, not recording, so I can just get it done really quick. And then I'll be able to see you guys in the next video. So now we're here on my computer where I have my niche and the golden product I'm going to use. Now we're going to get into the product description. So I'm going to type here product description. So the first thing is the title of the product. You don't want it to be something tacky. You want it to be something that's sort of like catchy and makes it seem like it's an important product and not just something boring. So I'm going to be creating the first description for this golden rose, and then I'm going to end up building descriptions for all of the products I added on here. So the product description, we're going to start with the title. It is a golden rose, but we're not going to make the title golden rose because that's boring. We have to make something more exciting. So we're going to make this say something like exciting. You have to think a little bit, like 24 karat golden rose. The name of this store is Tetra Love, so it could be Tetra Love 24 karat golden rose. So I think that could do well. I'm going to make the title be Tetra Love dash 24K golden rose. And I know Tetra Love sounds weird, but that's just the name that was came up with on the business name generator, and honestly the name doesn't matter too much as long as you're good at marketing and finding the right product. So I think I could do good even though this name is sort of weird. So we're gonna call it Tetra Love, and I'm actually add the in front of it. So the title is now Tetra Love dash the 24K golden rose. I think that'll do well as a title, sort of catchy, looks more appealing than just saying golden rose. So now let's get into the actual description. The most important thing is the first sentence of the description. You have to create something that seems like a hook. So sometimes I even go over here and search up golden rose. Let me add 24K. And I'll see like what other companies are making the description. So then I'm able to sort of bounce ideas off my own head between other companies and see what's good. So let's look at this. This company says details. Show her how sweet and delicious she is with the most unique and thoughtful gift of the year. The perfect symbol of love. So it has a detailed description that shows sort of every aspect that gives like a good representation of what it is, as well as connecting with the person reading this to try and get them to buy it. So that's pretty good. Let's see if these other ones. The Forever Rose. Jeez, this is just all kinds of rose. Maybe even I could just make a store of just a bunch of roses. I'm not sure. I'll have to do some more research on that. But I guess these are like actual roses that are real gold. I'm not sure if these ones from China are real gold or not because they're super cheap. So my guess is not. So I'm not really going to aim at marketing it as real gold. I'm just going to make sure I'm being honest so people are getting the best deal. See what this says. The original gold dipped rose. Hand select. Then dipped and enriched to build a blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is a nice description. I like how it says the original gold dipped rose. So I feel like if I make the original golden rose the first sentence of this description, it'll give people more like a sense of credibility, like we are the ones that make this, we are good at it. So I'm just gonna say that as the first sentence is gonna be, or actually I'm gonna make it say the home of the golden rose. The home of the golden rose. And now I'm just going to start thinking off my head and start typing just some things that I think will be suitable for this. So I'm going to say the home of the golden rose, created with special care, comma, for that special person. Show that person you adore. Show that person you adore. Show that person how much you adore them by gifting them this beautiful gold rose. So I'm trying to keep it short and sweet, something that sort of grabs the attention of the reader and gets them more like wanting to buy it. So I'm not going to aim this just towards men trying to buy it for their girls. I'm also going to try and aim it towards girls who will buy it to the guys. So I'm not just going to be like, buy this for that special girl. I'm going to make it be for both genders so that I can make it more transparent and get more sales, I think, instead of targeting towards one gender. So now I think I might add one more sentence to this. Or actually no, I'm going to start with the bullet points. You always want to have like a few sentences as the base of your description and then add bullet points that add some kind of specific details that people can read and sort of understand. So what I'm going to say here is the original golden rose. Then the next one's going to be created. What was that word on that website I saw? Man, it was like meticulously. I know I'm spelling this wrong. Meticulously. Is that right? No. Meticulously. In a span of 5 days. The perfect gift for that special someone. Jeez, my typing is really bad today. Sorry about that, guys. Comes with, let me make sure it comes with the box. Let's see here. Let me look at the reviews. Yes, it does come with the box. Ooh, that's a bad looking review. It's messed up. Guess we'll see how it is when I order mine. There we go, that looks nice. Okay. So I'm gonna say comes with elegant box housing the rose. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and copy all this that we have so far into my store onto the products. So I'm gonna go here to products. Where is it? The rose. I'm just gonna get rid of all of this, paste what I have now, and I need to change the title to, what do I have? I picked Tetralove Dash the 24K Golden Rose. Okay, so I want to type in Tetralove the 24K Golden Rose. So far we have that as the title. We have the home of the Golden Rose, created with special care for that special person. Show that person how much you adore them by gifting them this beautiful gold rose. Perfect for any occasion, ranging from birthdays, I'm gonna make this say a birthday gift, ranging from a birthday gift to a spontaneous, affectionate gift. The original golden rose, created meticulously in the span of 5 days, the perfect gift for that special someone, comes with an elegant box housing the rose. And now let's talk about shipping real quick, because usually people ask me, they say, should I put the shipping times on my products or should I not? And the answer is, you should always put it on your products, just so people are aware of that. And if the product arrives in a long amount of time, but you still have it in the product description, you're able to redirect these people to that product when you're in there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. What I like to do is change the format to block quote, and I say, please allow. So for the United States is about 2 weeks. So please allow up to 2 weeks for domestic shipping due to high demand. Please allow up to 4 weeks for international shipping due to high demand. There we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and save that. And now we need to find pictures for this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys how I do that. So I'm gonna go here to Google. So I'm gonna go ahead and just search on Google 24K gold rose, and we'll go here to images, and you'll see all these different pictures. So we need to find the perfect ones for our store. So it's going to take a little bit of searching to find the right ones. I try to find ones that have a white background, and I don't buy items and have them shipped to my house and take pictures of them, because there's usually just resources online that are easier. So actually the easiest way to do this is actually just copy the exact title of this product onto Google, and then we'll search here on the images and see what do we got. So we have this here, but we don't want that logo up there, which I could get rid of, but I still don't like the way that picture looks. So how about, okay, we're getting somewhere now. This looks good. I'm gonna save this image right here. I'm gonna say this is Rose 1, but we need more than that. So I'm gonna go here and see what other pictures they have. Alright, I'm gonna stop recording right now just so I can keep searching. I don't want to just bore you guys with this, so I'll be back in a minute. So now we're on my store, and I have these images downloaded, so I'm gonna go ahead and just drag them on here. I have Rose 1, Rose 2, and Rose 3. So I have these 3 images of the roses. I think they do it justice. It looks well. So guys, I think that's going to do it for creating the title and description for this product. So I have the good title, the good description, the good images. So I think overall that listing is alright. So I'm going to go ahead and do this for all the other products right now. And then I'll get back to you guys in the next video. So I'll see you in the next one. We're going to be going over how to design your website, make it look appealing, and how to install a Facebook pixel. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.